Here's a quick demonstration of Truman's tricks and tameness. Visit trainparrot.com to learn how to teach these tricks to your parrot. Shake. Shake. Good boy. Wave. Good boy, Truman. Target. Good boy. Fetch. Truman, fetch. Good boy. Step up. Truman's become tamer over the last few months. I've become able to grab and hold him in more ways than ever before. I can hold him on his back. Hold him in his back in my hand like this. I can grab him by the neck, hold him by the neck, touch his belly, touch his tail. I can flip him over, hold him by his tail. Good boy, Truman. Very good. Good boy. And here's a new one we've been working on. So let me hold him by the beak. Very good, Truman. Good boy. Yeah. Very good.